Make a great choice today with the 2020 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, rain sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.